हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग। तो आज हम सीखेंगे बच्चों ABCD। A फॉर एलिगेटर, B फॉर बनाना एंड कलर्स नेम। ये कलर कौन सा बच्चों? रेड कलर। ये कलर कौन सा बच्चों? ब्राउन कलर, पैरेट कलर, ग्रे कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पर्पल कलर, ब्लू कलर, येलो कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, pink color and orange color. So let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. A for alligator. A for alligator. Shape star. Shape star. B for banana. B for banana. Shape star. B for banana. C for candy. C for candy. C for candy. D for dog. Shape star. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fruit. F for fruit. Shape square. G for goat. G for goat. Shape square. H for horse. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. J for joker. K for king. K for king. Shape heart. L for lion. L for lion. Shape heart. M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. N for nose. O for orange. O for orange. फिर से देख लेते बच्चों। A for alligator. B for banana. C for candy. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fruit. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye kids.